Okay, I'm very excited about this. My first package from Amazon has arrived, and it's definitely going to help with our learning. So we're going to open it together. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Get this back. Let us see. Ooh, it's the other one that I was not expecting yet. Oh, okay. Okay, check it out. This is like a this is a pelvis, and it comes with all of the pelvic organs so that we can learn about the anatomy, where things are in relationship to each other. Let us see. I don't want to break it. Okay. So, let's take these out first. Pelvis, muscles. We have a little rectum here, uterus, and then bladder. And even the bladder opens up. So we can fit all that in. And we can see the anatomy together. I'll fix that. We can see the anatomy together. We can talk about so much with this. This is really exciting. This is a fantastic model. And it has the muscles of the pelvic floor and the vulva. Okay, I just discovered also the uterus opens up, so we can see inside and talk about that too. I keep discovering new things as I'm looking around at it, which is great. So it also has the ligaments, and they are also removable. Everything has magnets, so it's like easy to pop off and reattach. Oh my gosh, we can even take off the pelvic floor muscles and kind of talk about those separately and see the layers. This is a great model. The teacher in me and the doctor in me are so excited about this, and I can't wait to use it to make some videos and further our learning. Until then, check out my other videos on YouTube and subscribe.